Are you tired of missing important emails in Pipedrive because you didn't set up folder sync correctly? Fix it in 5 minutes. I will show you exactly how to choose which folders sync so you never lose track of a lead again. Let us start with the basics. So first, go ahead and open up Pipedrive in your browser. You will be on your main dashboard, and that is exactly where we need to be. Now, look up to the upper right corner of your screen. See that little profile icon? It might be your initials or a small picture. Click that. A drop-down menu will appear. You want to select Personal Preferences. It is usually the second option from the top. Once you are inside your personal preferences, take a look at the left sidebar. The official documentation says to click Email Sync from that list. Go ahead and click it. You will land on the Email Sync settings page. Make sure the Account tab is selected at the top. If it is not, just click it. This is the main area where everything happens. Now, scroll down a bit until you see a section labeled Synced Folders. This is the heart of the tutorial right here. This is where you take control. You will see the available sync options. There are two main choices. The first one is Sync Emails from All Folders. As you might guess, this tells Pipedrive to grab every single email from every folder in your connected email account. Inbox, sent, drafts, spam, everything. It is the set it and forget it option. The second option is Select Folders to sync emails from. This one gives you more control. You only want certain emails coming into Pipedrive? This is the way to go. For example, you might only want emails from your inbox and a specific project folder, but not your promotions or social tabs. If you choose to select specific folders, a list will appear. Go through that list and check the boxes for the folders you want Pipedrive to sync. Maybe you have a folder called Leads or Client Correspondence. Check those. Once you have made your selection, take a moment to review your folder choices. Make sure you checked the right ones and missed none that you need. And here is the nice part. Pipedrive saves your changes automatically. You do not have to hunt for a save button. Just wait a few seconds and it is done. Now, let me explain the difference between these two options a bit more clearly. If you choose Sync Emails from All Folders, you are basically giving Pipedrive full access to pull in every message. Great for thoroughness, but it can clutter up your Pipedrive inbox with newsletters and automated replies you don't really need. On the other hand, choosing Select Folders to sync emails from is like curating your own highlight reel. You only bring in the messages that matter for your leads and deals. This is the strategy I have tested myself, and I recommend it if you want to stay organized. And the result? You now have full control over which email folders sync between your email account and Pipedrive. No more missing critical emails from a lead because it was sitting in a folder you forgot about. Every important message is captured and organized exactly how you want. Thanks for watching. Give this a try and let me know how it works for you. See you in the next one.